my mama's pan-fried pork chops with a pan gravy. Recipe will be in the comments. So first we're going to start off with 8 boneless thin-cut pork chops. You're going to season it with the seasonings you see on the screen. Into 1 cup of flour for your dredge, you're going to add the same seasonings. To a medium pan over medium-high heat, you're going to add a fingertip deep of oil. Dredge your pork chops front and back. Get your oil really nice and hot, and then drop those pork chops in. Do not overcrowd your pan, or you're going to end up steaming your pork chops instead of frying your pork chops. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side just to get it nice and crispy. And then I like to place mine on a wire rack while I work through all my pork chops. With the rest of the oil in your pan, you're going to drop in a 1/2 cup of that dredge flour with a whisk, stir it around, cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes, just cooking the flour flavor out. And then we're going to add a total of 4 cups of liquid. I do 2 chicken stock and then 2 milk. Stir it around, keep stirring until the gravy comes together. If it gets too thick, you can add a little bit more of your liquid. I like to serve this with mashed potatoes, green beans, and corn. It's a perfect Sunday dinner. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time on Bailey's Kitchen.